Good morning, students. We are going to study today English grammar, chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 is determiners. Students, open your book, page number 41, determiners. Determiners are a type of adjectives. Determiners are a type of adjectives, a special kind of adjectives written in the book. There are some words called determiners such as this, my, some, a few, many, which are used before nouns. They are a special kind of adjectives. Means there are some words which are some adjective, special adjectives which are used before. We know that adjective comes before noun. So adjectives which come before noun, they are special adjectives. Means these adjectives are not changed into other parts of speech. For example, we make word joy, enjoy, enjoyment, joyful, joyless. These are adjectives, not determiner, because many words are formed. When from adjectives many words will not be formed, those adjectives are called determiners. Clear? Now the rule is that we know adjective plus noun. After adjective noun comes same way, determiner plus noun. After determiners also noun comes. Now forms of determiner means types. Types have given you. First one, articles, a and the are determiners. Possessive adjective, we know that it is a special type of adjective, so some types of adjectives will also come. Possessive adjective, my, your, our, his, her, its, their. This is determiner. Demonstrative adjective means this, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. Determiners. Distributive adjectives means each, every, either, neither. Each, every, either, neither. They are determiners. Interrogative adjective, what, which, whose are interrogative adjective, they are determiners. And number and quantity, some words which will indicate number or quantity, those words also determiners, like much, many, some, few, little. Much, many, some, few, little, these words are also determiners. So now the most important, we start study first number articles. Articles we will start study first of all. First we know that determiner plus noun. After all determiners, noun comes. Then rule is also articles plus and the. Articles means and the. After articles also noun will come. We know that there are three articles, a and the. A and is called definite, indefinite articles, and the is called definite article. First we study the use of a and. Use of a and. A and means one, so singular. Means and plus singular noun. The rule is that when use a and we know that a used with consonant and used with vowel sound. Singular noun consonant sound, and singular noun consonant sound. Singular countable. Uncountable noun is always singular. So not singular noun, singular count noun. Singular countable noun. A used with singular countable noun with consonant sound. A used with singular countable noun with consonant sound. Consonant sound means ka, kha, ga, gha, from ka to gya are consonant sound. Example, boy. First letter ba, so a boy. First letter ba is consonant sound. Again, if we say rice, it is singular but not countable. Noun should be singular, countable noun. Singular and countable. It is singular but not countable. So ra, first letter ra, will be used but not used. Why? Because it is not countable. Noun should be singular and countable. It is not countable, so article not used. Clear? Now use of an. An also same way. Singular, countable noun. Vowel sound. Vowel sound. Singular countable noun having vowel sound means a, I, E, a, from a to a. Orange. O, first letter O, vowel sound. So an. Apples. First letter A. So an, but not. Why? Because it is not singular, it is plural. In plural, an not used. Singular. Noun should not be plural. Noun should be singular and countable. Only then an used. An used with singular countable noun. Not with plural, not with uncountable. Clear? Now we study use of the. We are going to study use of the. Use of the. The is called definite articles. It makes a noun definite. First use singular countable noun which denotes whole group, whole class or group. Example, the cow is an animal. Cow is an animal. It denotes a whole group, whole class or cow, and also singular. So the will be used. If the same meaning we can also write cows are animals. But it is not singular. Noun should be singular. Here cross, article not used. Only in singular it will be denotes. It will be used the. Before singular we will use the. Before plural the not used, because rule is that singular. Noun should be singular, denotes a whole class. Second use of the. When a noun repeated, second time, third time, fourth time, a noun is repeated, then it becomes definite, particular, special. In those situations we use the. First time noun is used an before noun, and second, third, fourth time when it is repeated we use the. Example, There was a farmer. Farmer first time. But second, third, fourth time if we repeat the word farmer, then the will be used. Example, the farmer. Second time not a farmer, because it has become definite. When noun becomes definite, we use definite article. The farmer had, first time again ox, an ox, first time. Second time we will write the ox, an ox and 2 cats. Here more than 2, so are not used. 2 cats. Now in seconds again we repeat ox and cat, and the will be used. The ox, not an ox. The ox and the cats. The cats. Because it has become definite, we have repeated it. Were weak. The ox was strong. The ox was strong, but the cows were weak. But the cats, cats. But the cats were weak. So second, third, fourth time if we repeat any noun, those nouns become definite, we use the. This is the second use of the. Now use number 3. Use number 3 of the. So students, in the next class we will continue. Thank you.